We reuse I think that's a skid plate for my car right there. Alright, recap, go. Got this thing here to slide the dishwasher into. The top sitting over there. We got this piece right here that's going to be a skid plate for my car, I believe. The cord that I need for the dishwasher is already here, and there's some other plug-ins also. There is a steel barrel inside of this one that I'm going to use for a burn pit. And then we got an electric motor and a water pump. So we're going to take stuff apart and see what we come up with. This here would be the end result. I don't think it looks too bad. I still got my tools out, but see, I just took that washer, turned it around. I still gotta do some mounting, and this is hiding some holes from the lid. Knocked the hole in it back there. Run all my stuff up. Maybe go get an extension for my hose. Just to recap on some leftover parts, we got this barrel here. I'm going to try to pull this middle one out of for a fire pit. Electric motor pump, don't know if I'll use that for anything. Plenty of wires and little plug-ins and such, and metal. Think this is going to be a shield for my car. But look at these weird hanging spring things. I see something dangerous in the making. Till next time, guys, I will see you. Don't forget to like what you see and subscribe and comment the videos and hit that notification button. So if I ever come up with some other goofy video, you'll be the first to know.